So please note that you're able to eat these from the grocery store. It's safe to eat, but they are very disgusting. It's best to use for your hair or your skin or something, but I'm just doing this for my YouTube channel. My YouTubers wanted it. A little piece so y'all can. And I'm probably not even doing this right, but it's like some, and I know I'm gonna eat this. It looks so satisfying. Let's see.
Disgusting.
It's not good, but I know you can put it like in your hair, your drinks, and stuff, but don't eat it. It's don't eat it. Anyway.